Law and practice allows students to experience the law. We integrate the formal legal doctrines that you learn in law school with the actual problems that people face and teach through both classroom and small group experiences. You'll have a chance to take a deposition, you'll have a chance to participate in a chambers conference, and you'll negotiate and meet real clients trained by the University of Minnesota Medical School. You won't find anything like that at any other law school. But it's more than just a series of experiences. Law and practice is a thoughtful attempt to introduce the teaching of formal legal doctrine into the actual practice of law. In other words, how do you use law to solve people's problems and achieve objectives? And I don't think there's any other program in a law school that's remotely like that. Law and practice engages over 100 people in the community to help teach the program. The core of our community involvement is our practicing attorneys who run the small practice groups where you learn the experiences. Our practicing attorneys come from a variety of different types of firms and different types of legal practice. Many of them are University of Minnesota Law School alumni who are excited to participate with our students and help train the next generation of lawyers. Law and practice is a first-year experience. It's something you do with all of your first-year law school colleagues, and you experience different types of law. You'll see different areas of legal practice. You'll see a transaction and a litigation case simulation. And that gives you a much better sense of what else you want to study for the rest of your legal career and what you might want to go into that will work with who you are. By experiencing different areas of law and also having a chance to do both litigation and transactional work, you'll see what works best for you. You'll see the kinds of courses that you want to take for the rest of law school, and you'll have a much better sense of where you want to practice that will provide a successful and fulfilling legal career for you in the long run. We have students come back in their second and third years and tell us that very consistently that law and practice gave them a leg up in their summer work. No one else had taken a deposition, no one else had a real sense of how either litigation or transactional work proceeds. Law and practice students tell us that they've gained a tremendous confidence, and not only does it give them the confidence to go perform better in their initial jobs, but they actually have skills and understanding of how the law really works so that they come back and tell us that they had a leg up in their summer work, that they'd already seen some of these things that they were given to do, whereas their colleagues from other law schools hadn't had those opportunities. One of the great things about teaching law and practice is that you see students who are scared to go in and do a client interview at the beginning finish the course with a real confidence in negotiating a client's problem in order to get to a solution. And that confidence building is one of the great things about the program. I think it'd be worthwhile to compare our program with any other introductory practice skill program in another law school. I think you'll find out why it's successful and unique.